and we had to change base. Welcome to Helen's Corner. So hello guys, in our today's video you guys are going to follow us to Amusement Park. I'm taking the kids to Amusement Park. Say hi guys. Hi guys. Do people want to go to Amusement Park?
Yes.
Wow, so you love Amusement Park?
Yes.
Why do you like Amusement Park?
It's because of the fun ride.
The fun ride. Okay, let's go for another fun ride. So guys, follow us to see how Amusement Park is in Ebonyi State. Don't mind my hair. I've been working all through. No time to make my hair. So let's get done. So this is Udesi roundabout, and this is where our amusement park is. Okay, that's our amusement park over there.
I said this is school. But my legs is getting cold.
So we are going late. See, people are already coming back. Okay, they are done. Though there are some people going late like us. You can see they are just entering the amusement park. Let's just go and make the children feel that they are celebrating something, guys. Population here, corn. Okay, this place is children toys. This side is popcorn. The other side is balloon.
Skimsy, the producer.
Good. Yes. Hey, Coco. So guys, the first games machine we came for is this one, and you can see it's already locked and children have nowhere to go to. They started climbing the fence just to go and have fun with it. They're even pushing it with their hand. Okay, it is only this one that was actually open. That's the slide that my children had access to. All other machines were not even good. Even the slide, it was when they've climbed that I discovered that there was no adults to control them, and by then it's like it's late. I was just praying to God that they should just come down successfully and I'll carry them and run away, and we had to change base to another place. Guys, if you really want to look for a business, this amusement business for kids is something that Ebonyi needs very, very well. Okay, and if you know how to maintain it and how to run it, it's going to fetch you lots of money in Ebonyi State. Okay, that's one thing I've seen, because if you notice, both crunches everywhere, almost everywhere was filled. Children don't even have where to go to. So this is my kids coming, and I'm like, thank God, let's go. It was scary but fun.
Yes.
Honestly, this thing is not working. Let's go. to Chicken Republic. Let's go to the one in Waterworks Road, right? They have 2 branches. This one close to First Bank here, very close to us. Yeah. Chicken Republic. Is that Chicken Republic? Because they show chicken up there. Republic. Like Chicken Republic. This is Chicken Republic. Yes. This place you can literally kind of ball.
Skimzy, the producer.
And finally we are going home, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please click the like button, subscribe if you're new, and share to your friends so we can grow. Okay, see you guys in our next video. Bye bye, love you.